Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Bengali style egg Kalia or dimer Kalia, dim kosha. So let's see the ingredients, what we need for this recipe. Here I have taken 6 eggs. I already boiled the eggs in electric cooker. I showed in my previous video how to use the electric cooker. You can check my previous video, that was egg keema recipe. We need semi hard boiled eggs, mustard oil, and we will take half tablespoon ghee because it's rich, that's why I am taking ghee. 1 large size finely chopped onion, 1 small size finely chopped tomato, 2 tablespoon plain yogurt, pinch of garam masala, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, some chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste with 2 green chilies, salt to taste, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, some whole garam masala like mace, cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom, some cloves, 2 bay leaves and 1 dry red chili. Let's start. We need semi hard boiled eggs. Make small holes with a fork. Now we will marinate with a bit salt, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Keep aside. In the meantime, make masala paste with yogurt, turmeric powder half tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, mix it well. Add some water. Okay, our paste is ready. Heat the pan. Add 4 tablespoons mustard oil to fry the eggs. Keep the flame medium. Ready. Remove them. We will add 2 bay leaves, red chili and garam masala, means cinnamon stick, cardamom, green cardamom and clove. Add onion. Fry the onion on medium heat until it's not getting golden brown. We will add pinch of sugar, our onion already is golden brown, so we will add chopped tomato and ginger garlic green chili paste. Add half tablespoon ghee. Ghee is optional and yogurt also optional because egg kalia is little rich, that's why I am taking ghee and yogurt. You can skip if you want. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes at least. Mash the tomato as much as possible and keep stirring on medium heat. Now we will add masala paste with yogurt. We will add little bit water. Keep stirring for 5 to 6 minutes until oil is not getting separate from the masala. Now we will add salt according to taste. We already marinated the eggs with salt. Look, the oil is separating now. Now we will add 2 whole green chili and fried eggs. Keep stirring for few more minutes. Okay, now add little bit of water, not too much, because we need thick gravy, not too dry. Cover it for 5 minutes on medium heat. Okay, let's check after 5 minutes. Wow, look at this. Now we will keep the flame on low. It was on medium. Add garam masala. Mix it gently. Turn off the gas. Let's serve it. You can serve with roti or steamed rice. If you like my recipe, then please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, then you will get more notification. Thanks for watching. See you, take care, bye.